It's a red letter day. Once again, welcome on this India's victorious day, red letter day. And today it's a 26th July 2024. But if you go back 25 years ago, on 26th July 1999, India won a Kargil war against the Pakistan. So we have lost so many brave soldiers. So today, once again, I would like to salute that brave soldiers who have lost their lives, and around one fifth of the total Indian casualties happened. So it's a very special page on Times of India. I would like to read here, and I would like to read here actually, and around one fifth of the total Indian casualties in the 1990 Kargil war were from Uttar Pradesh, as many 522 servicemen, including 26 officers, 23 junior commissioned officers, and 473 Jawans were killed in action, while around 1,363 were injured. Of these, the majority, 93, about one fifth, were from UP. The brave hearts, including 29 who survived the war but later either succumbed to injuries or made supreme sacrifice during counter insurgency operations. In UP, highest casualties were from Agra 8, followed by Gazipur, Mainpuri 7 each, Bulandshahr and Meerut 6 each, Lucknow, Aligarh and Baghpat 5 each. So two Paramveer Chakra awardees were from UP. It's a very proudest moment for our country, and including UP. Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey posthumously from Lucknow, and Subedar Major and Honorary Captain Yogen Singh Yadav from Bulandshahr. And there are the list the published by the Times of India, and it has been a greatest day, and also an inspirational day, especially for a youth. So once again, hats off, greatest salute to him, and their sacrifices of their lives. Absolutely, we will never forget. And the solution is not a war, but sometimes the situation cross the limits and the war happens. So India beat Pakistan in 1999. It was the day where our national flag hosted, but we lost so many brave soldiers. So it's a you can say Vijay Divas, but we can take a lesson, and also a greatest day salute, again and again salute to their brave soldiers. So once again, it's a sat naman to all the brave soldiers, and all students, all youngsters, all youth. You should know about the proudest and greatest red letter day about Indian history, India's army history, and you should know about it. So once again, you will take a lesson from that day, and you will follow the footsteps of our brave soldiers and their inspirational stories as well. Thank you so much for being here. Once again, hats off and greatest salute to our bravest soldiers of Indian Army. Thank you.